Game 3 coming up. Parrots, if you haven't watched already, Parrots took the last 2 on YouTube. Go watch them now on YouTube. Game 3 starts now. Dallas Allen on the bump. Shot way high. Skied it. Ty makes the play. Levi's had 8 pop outs today. Just not flying his way today. Inside ball 4.
Go, Jack. Come on.
Base runner for the shark. I can't speak right now. Curve.
Let's go.
Single for Lyle off the curve. I don't think one time Dallas has landed that today, and Lyle puts it in play. Men on first and second.
What?
In the middle. No one there. Gets him at third.
No, he's still at second. The ball's dead.
Ball is dead at first and second. Jack gets caught running home. In play. Dropped by Ty. Oh, Ty takes it himself. Third out. No strikeouts, 3 ground outs.
How do you feel about that?
Got him strike 3. Oh my gosh. Bundled. Got him strike 3 at 72. 1 mile under the speed limit. 2 down for Jack. Curveball got him. Jack throws a 1-2-3 inning. That's what the Sharks needed. Going to the top of the second. Got him. Strike 3. JP gets him on 4. 1 out for Levi. Levi is so due. Pitch to Levi. Shot gone! He was so due. 1-0. Sharks take the lead for the first time. No, I hit the tree.
Oh, did it? Jeez.
Sharks take the lead for the first time today off a 1-0. Levi Fleer solo shot. It's gone. Shot! Outside ball 4, right at the limit. Brings up Lyle, who is also very due. In play! He's safe at first. He got him at first. Gets third. I can't believe Dallas even attempted that.
Yeah, he was safe a second. It was not even close.
I can't believe he even attempted that. Got him at first. That's the type of series the Sharks.
He got third.
He gets third.
He's already halfway to third.
It's 2 outs. But what a play from Dal. He's safe at first. He got him at first. Painted 2 outside. Knuckleball, what a pitch. We'll make that a pitch by pitch. JP got nasty there. Painted 2 outside and gets the knuckleball for the K. Brings up Jack Johnson, who just had a 1-2-3. Got him, strike 3. Pipes it up, dirty riser. Brings up LP Ports. Pitch. Up high, ball 4. Liam gets on. Huge at bat for the Parrots. Your Woods. What a pitch! Pipes it up. In play.
Beat it out.
Got him on the leg. What a play. Jack does what Dallas did. Pegs him going to first.
Come on, Jack.
Jack throws another clean inning.
Just picking up here. Slider, top zone. Nice hit. Gets 1 out.
Got him, strike 3. What a screw from John. Pitch.
I said it out loud.
Ball 4. Levi leaves it.
Let's go.
Johnson. Inside. Ball 4. Brings up Lyle, who is incredibly due.
Okay.
Got him chasing, strike 3. JP gets through a clean inning. Inside ball 4. John Paul works a walk. In play. First hit. Liam. Ball 4. Bases juice for Dallas Allen, the one person you do not want to be hitting. Got him, strike 3. 73 gets him out for the first out of the inning, brings up John Paul. Huge out from Levi. Pitch. In play! Pat! Got him! He tagged him at 3. Fielder's choice, but it does score a run. RBI single for John Paul. 1-1 tie game. In play! Got him! Got him. 2 fielder's choices in a row, back-to-back pitches. Levi basically gets out of the jam.
Levi's.
In play! He got him at first. Ground out, second pitch of the inning. In play, what a... Got him! What a play! We'll take a look at it. I think call on the field as he is out at first. In play, what a... Got him! In play, what a... After further review, he's out at first. Amazing play by Leon. Shot! Off the fence. I thought that dropped off the fence, in the air. John Paul to a drop. They almost hit a home run. They're putting Levi on first base. Intentional walk. Wow. Crazy sequence. Lyle hits one at the top of the wall. And then they're intentionally walking Levi. Levi has been seeing the ball, well, all day. In play! Got him at 2. Outside, ball forward. Ty walks on 4. Pitch. Shot! Get out, ball. Oh my gosh! Dallas walks it off! Jack Johnson almost robs it. They're going into the pool. Let's go. Parrots sweep.
Let's go. Oh, we got it. Oh my god. Let's go.
All right, I'm here with the drip grip no slip player of the day, Dallas Allen. Dallas, you had 7 hits, 4 home runs, I think 8 RBIs. This was also probably your first time playing like this type of wiffle ball in a long time. How did you adjust and succeed?
I think playing Midwest Slugfest in Peoria helped a lot, just to see the ball, and I was seeing the ball really well off Levi no matter what he was throwing, especially in game 1 and 2. I got a little ahead of myself in game 3, but you know, it's just good to come here. It's good to come out here to play some wiffle ball, and I'm glad we can get the sweep with the boys.
Thank you, WR fans, for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Shout out to our partner, Drip Grip No Slip. Go visit them on their Instagram. They have great bag grips, just like this, great colors, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.